So today let's learn about how to add actuator endpoints to any Spring Boot application. So as previous, let's create a new Spring Boot project. Let's name it Actuator Demo, and yeah, and let's include Spring Back Web to keep it running, dev tools of course for ease of development, and let's add actuator dependency. This will create a new project, as you can see, actuator demo, which will have a main class actuator demo application, and yes, of course application.properties is empty as of now. Let's run this application. Run as Java actuator demo. When the application starts in the console, you will see that it says exposing one endpoint beneath base path actuator. So by default, when you include a actuator dependency, Spring Boot will, by default, you will get one endpoint or one actuator endpoint. As you can see, I have visited actuator endpoint and it shows the one endpoint is available, which is health. I can actually visit that and see that, yeah, status is up and running. uh, in upcoming videos we'll see how to enable other actuator endpoints.